Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the onboarding process. Kindly follow these steps. Step 1. Register your organization. Input your organization name, official email, address, official phone number. When done, click Next. Step 2. Register your company. Input your company name, select industry, employee size, company country, company state, company local government, company address. Then check the box to agree, then click Continue. Step 3. Personal details. This is the detail of the admin or HR onboarding. Input first name, last name, select gender, input email address, official phone number, password and confirm password. Step 4. Enter the OTP verification code that was sent to the email used for registering the company. When done, kindly log in with the email and password used. When logged in, input your company registration info. Select if your company is registered or not. Input company name, RC number, tax identification number, company description, upload company CAC certificate, proof of identity. Step 6. Company domain. Enter your company domain. Example, yourcompanyname.com. Then click on the services interested and click Continue. Step 7. Customize experience. Upload company logo. Select default theme, theme UI color, font style, then submit. Step 8. Compliance. You can download SLA documents. Input bank name, account number, account name, then click Continue. Step 9. Employee. When adding employee, you can copy the link and share so they can onboard themselves. You can add employee manually by typing their official email. You can check and uncheck strictly with company domain. The minimum registration number is 5 before company can be submitted for approval. Then click on Submit and wait for company to be reviewed. Once review is done, you can now log in and continue registration setup. Thanks for watching.